Wash nozzle bum. Okay, cool. So, this is ADVMotoGirl versus the Tushy Bidet for the first time. I have installed it. I have done my business. I'm wiping things that shouldn't be on the wall off the wall. That have nothing to do with the business. That could really be misconstrued. Okay, so I'm gonna just very slightly turn on the dial. I'm not sure which position the nozzle is in, but here we go. Okay, very slightly. That's chilly. Wow, that is really strong. It's a lot more powerful than I thought it would be. I kind of wish I'd gotten the spa one that does warm water, but my sink is across the room and that would be messy. So let's switch the nozzle direction. Oh gosh. So you kind of have to move around, I think, as a woman to really get the full effect. I'm pretty sure the higher settings are basically sodomy and surprise butt sex. I cannot imagine turning this thing up all the way. Like no, I'll show you when I'm done. But there's like a good 1.5 inches of settings of like dial space. I'm not even to the first dot and I'm just like, whoa. So I let that run for a lot longer than I assume one normally would, just because I was just kind of experimenting with the pressure settings. Now the moment of truth to see if it's more effective than toilet paper. And of course, I'm not going to make you watch this. I guess as a woman, it's probably a little bit different, than a man's experience. But I think as a woman, using the bidet to cleanse after just urinating is probably more trouble than it's worth, and actually requires more toilet paper because you have a lot more moisture. Have a lot more. You have a lot more moisture. Damn it! You have a lot more wetness to sop up with the toilet paper. They do offer, and I have ordered, they're called bum cloths. They're bamboo fiber, and you basically just pat dry with them. And I think that would work great for the urine side of things. For the other side of things, it was better, I think, than toilet paper alone. But, and we're talking about poop and buttholes here, so brace yourself. I don't think that my particular butthole can tolerate a pressure high enough to really get into all the nooks and crannies and get every little last molecule out of there. So definitely better than toilet paper by itself, but it's certainly not going to eliminate toilet paper, at least not for me when I poop. But I can definitely see this being something that does save toilet paper in the long run. Do I like it? I don't know yet. I want to. I really want to like it, but haha, it's very cold and it's very strong, and you can't really precisely aim it. I mean, it was $80-90, whatever. So what do I expect for that? It's not like a professional bidet. Booty. All right. Yeah, the jury's out, I think, honestly. Further updates is warranted.